In this video, I'll tell you more about your personal skill tree and how you should pick your playstyle accordingly. When it comes to your skill tree is composed of four branches. They are the biological branch, the psychological branch, the social branch, and the spiritual branch. Each of these branches have their own category of skills. For example, the biological branch has manual skills, psychological branch has intel skills, the social branch has social skills, and the spiritual branch have self skills. These skills are associated with the things you do, the things you think about, the things you say, and the things you believe to be true. The manual skills are about movement, your interaction in this physical world. The intel skills are about how you interact with the information that you are exposed to. The social skills are about how you interact with other people, and the self skills are about the interaction you have with your own self. In other words, self reflection, self awareness, and anything pretty much that starts with self. Each of these branches have a different symbol. The symbol is associated with a certain organ within your body. The biological branch, the manual skills, are represented by gut. The psychological branch, the intel skills, are associated with your mind. The social branch with the social skills is associated with your heart. And last but not least, spiritual branch with its self skills, which is represented by lungs. Each of us have a different skill tree. Therefore, it is impossible to be someone else than you are. No one can be better at being yourself than you are. Find the things that makes you you. There is one more way how the skills are arranged to, and the way they are categorized is by the way they interact with each other. If there are skills that are not connected with each other and they don't influence each other, they are called para skills. If there are skills which are influencing the performance of other skills, then they are called meta skills, skills that improve other skills. Para skills are the skills that are growing parallelly to each other, they are not connected. Then there are meta skills which are connected with each other and they are influencing each other. The way this is important is because the way you unlock further parts of your skill tree is by unlocking the previous skills. This skill system in the game of life works as a node system. In order to get to the node 3, for example, a tier 3 skill, you have to go to its previous tiers. You have to unlock the tier 1, get the perks of tier 1, which helps you to unlock and progress to tier 2, which then helps you to progress to tier 3. For example, let's say that now we are in the biological branch, the manual skills, and we want to level up to a skill which allows us to do diamond push-ups. If we have zero strength when it comes to our arms, we cannot just go straight to the tier 3, which is in our case the diamond push-ups. In order to do diamond push-ups, we have to be able to do normal push-ups, for example, tier 2. If we cannot do even the tier 2 push-ups, we have to go to the tier 1, which is doing push-ups on the knees. So in order to unlock the tier 3 push-ups, in order to unlock the diamond push-ups, we have to be first able to do the tier 1, which are, for example, the push-ups done on your knees. Then you have to repeat it and upgrade this skill over and over again until you reach a second tier, which is doing a normal push-up. And after you upgrade it and get the perks of this skill, then you can go and unlock the tier 3 push-up. The way the skill tree evolves is by specialization. In other words, if you are spending more time on your manual skills, the manual skills will passively improve. If you spend more time with other people, then your social branch, your social skills are passively being improved. For example, if you want to be better at physical performance, then you have to spend time in the biological branch with the manual skills. You cannot get better at the manual skills by spending time in the, for example, the psychological, the intel skills. Yes, by learning better techniques and better approaches, you can level up faster, in the biological branch. But this is where the meta skills come. Even though they are connected, you have to still do the biological skills in order to upgrade them. Therefore, it's important to upgrade before you unlock new skills. The message I would like you to take from this video is that if you want to do the difficult things, you have to be sure that you can do the small things. If you cannot do the small things, you won't do the bigger things. Therefore, find what you can do now. Find what are the skills that you can do and upgrade now. And by upgrading them, you will eventually unlock the ability to go to next skills. Start small and big. It is always about those small steps done again and again and again and again. Only once you stop and look back, you will appreciate how far you have come.